In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a birthday in Apple Calendar. This process is straightforward but has a few important steps to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Contacts app. This app is essential for managing all your contacts and their information in one place. On the screen, you'll see a list of your contacts displayed neatly. If you have many contacts, you might need to scroll or use the search bar at the top to find the person for whom you want to add a birthday. This step is crucial because Apple Calendar doesn't allow you to add birthdays directly. Instead, it pulls this information from your contacts, so make sure you select the right contact. Next, open the contact you want to add a birthday for, or create a new contact if they don't exist yet. If you are creating a new contact, you will see fields for entering various details like their name, phone number, and email. For now, focus on the person whose birthday you want to remember. This action is important because it sets the foundation for adding the birthday information accurately. Once you have the desired contact open, click on Edit. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click it, the fields will become editable, allowing you to make changes. You'll see a pencil icon or the word Edit change color, indicating that you can now modify the contact's details. This step ensures that you can input the birthday information correctly. Now, add or locate the birthday field. If the birthday field is not visible, you might need to scroll down through the contact details. If you are creating a new contact, look for the option to add fields such as Add Birthday. This is a crucial step because the birthday field is where you'll enter the specific date, ensuring it syncs properly with your Apple Calendar later. Next, enter the person's birth date. Make sure you select the correct date using the calendar picker or typing it in directly. This is important because an incorrect date could lead to missed celebrations or confusion. Once you have confirmed the date is correct, you can proceed with the next step. After entering the birthday, click Done. This will save all the changes you have made to the contact. You will see a confirmation message or the contact's details will revert to the view mode, indicating that your changes are saved. This step finalizes the addition of the birthday to the contact. Now open the Calendar app. You can find this app easily on your device, typically represented by a colorful calendar icon. Once opened, the calendar will display the current month, and you can see any events or reminders that are set for today. This step is essential because it allows you to confirm that the birthday was added correctly to your calendar. The birthday will automatically appear in the birthdays calendar after it syncs. You may notice the birthday highlighted on the specific date you entered. This happens because the calendar app syncs with your contacts app seamlessly, ensuring that you never miss important dates. It's a fantastic feature that keeps everything organized. If you prefer another method, you can also add a birthday event directly in the calendar. Open Calendar again and click the plus button or double-click the date of the birthday. This action opens a new event window where you can enter specific details about the birthday celebration. It's an easy way to set reminders for events, ensuring you are always prepared. Next, enter a title for the event, such as John's birthday. This makes it easy to identify the event later. You can get creative with the title if you want to include additional details. This step is helpful because it provides clarity on what the event entails. Set the event date to match the birthday you are celebrating. Make sure it corresponds with the actual birth date. This ensures that your reminders will be accurate. Now, enable all day. This option means the event will last the entire day, which is perfect for birthdays. You won't have to worry about forgetting the time. Set repeat to every year. This is an important feature because it will automatically remind you of the birthday each year without needing to set it up again. You will appreciate this little time saver in the long run. Finally, click Add or Done to save the event. This confirms that all the information you entered is correctly stored in your calendar. You will see a confirmation message appear, indicating that your birthday event is successfully added. Note that birthdays added through the Contacts app are managed automatically in the Birthdays calendar. You cannot edit or delete them directly in Calendar. You must update the contact instead. This keeps your information organized and ensures everything is in one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep track of those special days.